COVID-19 coronavirus. It was first identified in China, Wuhan. Now, new variant JN1 is spreading so fast in our country, especially South Indian states like Kerala, Karnataka and Tamil Nadu. It is a variant of Omicron. WHO classified it as variant of interest. So far now it is showing only mild symptoms. So, yarum bhayapada. Thank you.
Everyone keep your hands clean. Wash your hands after reaching home, after coughing or sneezing. Everyone knows the hand washing step. First, wet your hand, apply enough soap, spread enough surface, rub palm to palm, rub back of each hand with other hand with fingers interlocked, rub palm to palm with fingers interlocked, rub back of fingers to opposing palm with fingers interlocked, rub each thumb clasped using a rotational movement, rub tip of the finger in a circular motion, rub each wrist with the opposite hand and thank you.
R for respiratory etiquette. COVID is spread by airborne or droplet route, so use a mask for personal protection. If you experience respiratory symptoms like cough, cold, breathlessness, use a pulse oximeter to check your O2 saturation or go to the nearby medical hospital. If it comes below 94%, seek medical attention immediately. Remember to use common respiratory etiquettes like using a tissue or your elbow while you cough or sneeze. Avoid touching your eyes, nose and mouth. Thank you.
Investigations done for diagnosing the COVID test are RT-PCR, antigen test and antibody test. And RT-PCR is also known as the molecular test or nucleic acid amplification test. And this is the most high sensitive test and which surely says that if the person is infected with COVID or not. And the other techniques like CT scan and ultrasounds and chest x-rays can be done. And HRCT shows the severance of the disease by which the person is affected. And if you feel that if people are symptomatic or experience cold or fever, please refer to the nearby hospitals and get your RT-PCR done along with oropharyngeal and nasopharyngeal swabs. Thank you.
Social distancing is an infection prevention and control intervention implanted to avoid or decrease the transmission of COVID-19. Hygiene and physical distancing has to be maintained, shaking hands and hugging and as a matter of greeting to be avoided. Keep community informed consistently and constantly about social distancing. Maintain 6 feet distance, keep yourself and others safe.
T for treatment. Most COVID-19 infections do not require hospitalization or medical treatment and can be managed at home or outpatient setting. Patients with confirmed mild COVID-19 are isolated in a COVID care center at home to break this chain of transmission. Under home isolation, patient is in a well-ventilated single room and the caregiver should wear mask when in the same room. If patient have fever, he can take acetaminophen. If he have cold, he can take cold tablets. Before taking the tablet, we should consult the physician. Then eat balanced nutritious diet, drink more fluid and monitor O2 and temperature 3 to 4 times every day. And if seek medical immediate attention, if we have difficulty in breathing, if we have temperature, high temperature for more than 5 days. And the COVID vaccine can prevent severe form of COVID, so everyone should get vaccinated against COVID. Thank you.
To remove the mask, do not touch the outside and dispose it safely in the bin.
For awareness about COVID-19 immunization, COVID-19 is not a dreaded one, which is a milder form, so don't be panic. Vaccines are safe and effective. It helps to boost the immunity. COVID-19 vaccination will be an important tool to help and stop the pandemic. Vaccinated people are less likely to showing symptoms and potentially less likely to spread the viruses. To prevent yourself and loved ones from getting infected, it protects you from severe sickness and complications. Different types of vaccines are Covaxin, Covishield, Pfizer, Moderna and Sputnik. ICMR vaccine portal will serve as a repository for vaccine-related information and research on various diseases, including COVID-19. Thank you.
Henceforth, stay safe. ನಾನು ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ನು ರಕ್ಷಿಸುತ್ತೇನೆ, ನೀವು ನಮ್ಮನ್ನು ರಕ್ಷಿಸಿ. ಔಷಧಿಗಳು ರೋಗಿಗಳನ್ನು ಗುಣಪಡಿಸಬಹುದು, ಆದರೆ ವೈದ್ಯರು ಮಾತ್ರ ರೋಗಿಗಳನ್ನು ಗುಣಪಡಿಸಬಹುದು. Stay safe and Merry Christmas. Thank you.
ಕ್ರಿಸ್ಮಸ್ ಹಾಗೂ ಹೊಸ ವರ್ಷದ ಶುಭಾಶಯಗಳು. ಮೇರಿ ಕ್ರಿಸ್ಮಸ್.